Connect your Phantom wallet on bullx. How to connect your Phantom wallet on bullx? It's easy and simple. Now, first of all, make sure you are logged in to your bullx. So after that, select here from the sidebar and click on Wallet Manager. Now after that, click on Add Wallet, and after that, make sure to select Solana, not AVM, because Solana it's the same network as in Phantom wallet and it allows it. Now after that, so as you can see, click on Add Wallet. Now click on select Solana. Now here, make sure to enter or type the name like enter like this. Now how to get the address? Just open a new bar if you want, and or you can just click on it from this top bar on Phantom. Now after that, it will ask you for your password. Now just again tap it and click on. Now after that, tap on receive and make sure to copy the Solana, not Ethereum, not Base, and not Polygon, just Solana. Just copy it. Now go back and paste it here and just click on add wallet. And as you can see, our Phantom wallet is added, but we need to wait 3 hours to be able to add it here on this Withdraw wallet. So this is how to add your Phantom wallet on bullx or to connect it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.